Your life strategy is specifically shaped by your values, beliefs, goals, desires, and needs, and all the decisions you make about how you'll spend your time, money, and energy. Wanting to succeed and be happy is simply not enough. Wishes and dreams are not a strategy. Like anything worth getting in life, you need a strategy for how to achieve it. Honesty. There is no more important concept to a solid life design strategy than total and utmost honesty. Your journey to achieving your dreams will never be successful if it's based on lies that you tell yourself. Thorough consideration. A solid life strategy considers every area of a well-led existence, not just one goal or one part of your life. It digs deep and forces you to consider all the components that make up a well-rounded and full life, including your health, romantic life, social circle, leisure activity, spirituality, career, wealth, and your own growth and development. Only when you stop to consider all these aspects and create a plan that encompasses these multifaceted components of life will you find that you can achieve real fulfillment and happiness. Personal growth. You have a duty to yourself to become the best version of yourself you can possibly be. Committing to developing a life strategy and engaging in regular personal development, as well as persistent growth, will help you achieve all of your dreams. Beliefs and values. To determine your life strategy, you must first identify your beliefs and values. These will guide all of your decisions, including the people with whom you share your life, how you devote your time and energy, what you want to do to make money, how you develop yourself and your mind, and how well you care for your health. Your passions. Living your passions means you'll make the right choices, improve your motivation, and find ultimate fulfillment, satisfaction, and purpose. Don't leave your life to chance. The life you crave cannot happen by accident. Plan it well, and you will be rewarded.